Think you know Quest? Think again. AI is transforming our world at an unprecedented pace. It's all around us and it's moving much faster than any previous IT cycle like cloud or virtualization. According to McKinsey, companies have reached a critical inflection point where their AI strategies will determine their competitive advantage for years to come. And Gartner's latest research shows we're moving from zero autonomous decision making in 2024 to 15% of daily work decisions being handled by AI agents by 2028. These non-human agents introduce a paradigm shift in how data will be assessed, secured, and managed. And while AI presents unprecedented opportunity, it also amplifies risk. Cybercrime is now the world's third largest economy, growing at 15% annually and increasingly AI powered. However, many organizations recognized AI as an opportunity for business transformation and are investing in new management, security, and platform modernization solutions. According to a recent Gartner CIO survey, organizations who invest in AI data infrastructure are already seeing 20% improvement in business outcomes. This isn't theoretical, it's measurable competitive advantages happening right now. The bottom line? Customers have a narrow window to either lead this transformation or respond to competitors who do. The question isn't whether AI will reshape our industry, it's whether companies will shape that change or be shaped by it. 99% of all AI projects encounter data quality roadblocks. Organizations consistently struggle with foundational data issues that compromise AI effectiveness. For instance, when training an AI system for fraud detection, companies often discover their customer databases contain duplicate entries, outdated contact information, and inconsistent formatting that undermines model accuracy. The quality of AI output directly correlates to the integrity of input data, making data governance a critical prerequisite for successful implementation. 86% of companies have experienced AI-related security incidents. Common incidents include chatbot unavailability, exposing PII or personally identifiable information, or AI-powered customer service systems revealing proprietary information, such as the competitor pricing. These security breaches demonstrate the immediate need for robust security frameworks. And 80% of companies face increased security risks from unmanaged devices. The proliferation of remote work and bring your own device policies has expanded organization attack surfaces significantly. Consider scenarios where employees access AI-powered business tools from personal devices that lack corporate security controls, run outdated software, or contain potentially compromised applications. When these unmanaged endpoints interact with AI systems processing sensitive corporate data, organizations lose visibility and control over critical security boundaries. All of these security challenges, coupled with a 3 times increase in data volumes since 2020 levels, are creating unprecedented scale challenges for data management infrastructure. Organizations must prepare to handle exponentially larger data sets while maintaining security controls and ensuring AI systems can effectively process this volume of information. Much of what contains sensitive or regulated data requiring specialized handling protocols. These metrics indicate that successful AI adoption requires addressing foundational infrastructure gaps before scaling implementation efforts. Customers around the globe rely on Quest for data management, security, and platform modernization. We're not newcomers to these challenges. We're trusted and proven leaders with a track record that speaks for itself. Fortune 500 trust when we say trusted and proven. The numbers back it up. Over 90% of the Fortune 500 rely on Quest solutions. These aren't just any companies. These are the world's largest, most demanding organizations with the most complex IT environments and the highest security requirements. Our global reach and experience extends far beyond the Fortune 500. We serve over 45,000 customers worldwide, bringing 40-plus years of industry experience to every engagement. This isn't theoretical expertise. It's 4 decades of solving real-world data management, security challenges, and Microsoft Active Directory modernization. Perhaps most importantly, we deliver results that matter. Our customer satisfaction rating exceeds 97%. In an industry where technology implementations are notoriously challenging, this level of customer satisfaction demonstrates our commitment to not just delivering solutions, but ensuring they work effectively in real-world environments. Our goal is to work with you on your journey to AI and meet you where you are at. So collectively, we can work together and build your foundation for AI. So let's talk about the Quest solution portfolio and how we help you build your foundation for AI through these three key pillars. The first, trusted data, which is built upon by data readiness, the modeling and cataloging of your data. AI readiness, governance and lineage tracing. Data platform readiness, which is migrating to modern platforms like Snowflake, Databricks, and Microsoft Fabric. And trusted data products with bronze, silver, and gold trust scores, giving you the confidence to use your data for your high-value use case like AI and Power BI reports. The second pillar, cybersecurity. Cyber attacks are increasing exponentially, and AI is accelerating this growth. Most security budgets aren't keeping pace with threats. Quest AI-powered solutions help you understand threats faster, reduce your attack surface, minimize vulnerabilities, and optimize efficiency. We provide endpoint and data management, vulnerability resolution, and comprehensive backup and recovery. To leverage generative AI, the third pillar, you need cloud-native capabilities. Many organizations still have data and workloads stuck on-prem. With 25 plus years of experience and hundreds of petabytes of data migrated, Quest accelerates your Microsoft migrations to Microsoft 365 and Entra ID while reducing security risks. In summary, Quest provides the solutions you need to build your foundation for AI, from trusted data, cybersecurity, to platform modernization for your Microsoft environments. So the real question is, are you ready for AI? We've talked about the challenges, we've shown you the solutions, and now it's time for the critical question. Are you ready for AI? First, do you know your data's trust score? Do you have a trust model in place? This isn't just about having data, it's about knowing where your data comes from and how it's being transformed. Can you trace the lineage of your data from their original source through every transformation, every integration, and every processing step? Because here's the reality. If you can't trust your data, you can't trust your AI. Remember, 99% of AI projects encounter data quality issues. The organizations that succeed are those that can confidently answer yes to data trust. The second question is, do you know who is accessing your data? In the era of AI, this question has become exponentially more critical. Do you have complete visibility into who has access to what data? Are access permissions regularly reviewed and updated? Can you detect when someone you shouldn't have access is trying to get in? With 84% of companies facing increased security risks from unmanaged Gen AI devices, this isn't just a compliance question. It's a business survival question. Unknown access is uncontrolled risk. And the last question, and ultimately, are your platforms trusted? In other words, are we trusting our Active Directory? What would be the impact today if your entire Active Directory was compromised and shut down? What products in your company would stop working? So now we're talking about your platform modernization. How quickly are you moving to Entra ID? Do you have a plan to follow Microsoft on the next journey of identity management? Can you manage, monitor, access, and secure that? So again, I ask you, when you start thinking about all of this, are you ready for AI? In summary, think about those 3 points again. Can you trust your data? And do you know how well you can trust it? Do you know who's accessing it? And is your platform ready for it? If you can answer yes to all three of these questions, then absolutely, let's move to the next step. If you can't, then we need to start breaking down the individual pieces and really start thinking about what that looks like. so that you can answer, yes, I am ready for AI. Companies that realize the key to AI is data, quality, availability, and governance, as pointed out in key insights from IDC this year. Today's data management landscape is rapidly evolving, driven by increasing demands from both human and non-human data consumers. So let's look at how the industry has shifted and what's required going forward. On the left, we will see the traditional state, multiple fragmented tools, data quality, data modeling, metadata management, cataloging, each handled by separate products. This fragmentation leads to overlapping features, multiple contracts and licenses, complex integrations, and time-consuming, labor-intensive processes for IT and data teams. The industry is now moving toward a converged, unified approach. According to Gartner, organizations can save up to 50% on costs and operational efforts with these platforms. Here at Quest, our new 𝗦𝗲𝗀 data management platform exemplifies this shift, converging data modeling, catalog and business glossaries, quality and observability, all on a single platform, complete with a data marketplace. This unified approach streamlines workflows, rationalizes capabilities, and creates reusable, trusted data products. Ultimately, it better serves the expanding range of consumers, from traditional business users to non-human identities such as AI and automated agents. Our goal? Ensure data is trusted, reusable, and ready for all types of consumers, human and non-human alike. So this entire flow brings us into what we have today, which is the Quest 𝗦𝗀 data management platform. For those of you familiar with Quest, you'll recognize foundational products like 𝗦𝗀 Data Modeler and 𝗦𝗀 Data Intelligence. But today, the focus is the new unified 𝗦𝗀 data management platform. We encapsulate 5 core verticals of data management: data modeling, catalog and glossary, data quality, observability, and marketplace. The power of this platform comes from integrating AI to automate critical steps in each area through a co-pilot-like interface, so you and your teams can deliver trusted, AI-ready data products much faster. This all starts with data modeling, a logical view of the client's data, and preserves full business context for any project, whether it's new tables or migration. The catalog serves as your data inventory, detailing where all the data and apps reside and what types they are. The business glossary standardizes policy, rules, and definitions, serving as the guardrails for proper data use across the business. Data quality gives you clear profiling, so you can instantly see how good or bad your data is, trace where any issues are originating, and understand how they propagate across systems. Observability means you're continuously monitoring the health of your data. So as soon as your data starts to drift, if an AI model starts hallucinating or showing bias, or if anything goes above or below your set thresholds, you get alerted right away. You're able to respond and remain confident in your AI and analytics outcomes. Finally, once data is trusted and validated, it flows into a marketplace where people can shop for, share, and reuse well-governed data sets with full transparency all the way back to the logical definitions and the original models. In practice, when we look at a real example, the average data product creation time can be up to 3 months for a team of 4. While using the full 𝗦𝗀 data management platform, we saw a 54% faster time to market in delivering these data products. That's the tangible value of a single platform that takes data from raw to ready, end to end. The AI era demands modern identity. Today's organizations rely heavily on identity services. About 90% use Microsoft identities to access critical business data, files, apps, and endpoints. This makes modern identity the gatekeeper of business access and protection more crucial than ever. The threats are rising fast as AI adoption grows. Non-human identities, service accounts, bots, and automated AI agents now outnumber human users by enormous margins. This surge creates a new blind spot for security and compliance, since these accounts are difficult to trace and secure. That's why single points of failure like Active Directory or Entra ID are so dangerous. If Active Directory goes down, the whole organization grinds to a halt. No data, no apps, nothing works. Recent outages and vulnerabilities have shown how a single misconfiguration in Entra ID can cascade into global service disruption or even catastrophic breaches. So why is this urgent now? Microsoft is driving organizations to modernize identity and ultimately transition to Entra ID, which was formerly known as Azure Active Directory. These migrations and modernizations are complex. They require planning, security hardening, and a comprehensive proactive approach to resilience. Quest brings 25 years of partnership with Microsoft and a deep experience in identity migration and hybrid cloud modernization projects, uniquely positioning us to guide organizations through this transition. Quest's new cloud-first approach delivers a unified platform to help customers modernize, secure, and make identity resilient, well beyond just Microsoft Active Directory or Entra ID. Our new solutions like Security Guardian use AI to detect and remediate workload identity risks, giving visibility and protection for both human and non-human accounts. In summary, as identity becomes the front line for AI-enabled business and security risk exploits, the companies who modernize and secure their identity platforms will be the ones best positioned to move forward and succeed in the AI era. So where are you on your cybersecurity journey? Quest has an extensive solution portfolio to help secure your foundation for AI. For prevention and preparedness, Quest ensures your critical assets are secure and your endpoints are managed effectively. Our solutions provide robust backup strategies, protecting your data and ensuring quick recovery in case of incidents. In the case of a cyber attack, with Quest, you can detect identity threats and respond dynamically to cyber incidents. Our forensic analysis capabilities help you understand and address issues properly, minimizing damage and downtime. And for recovery and remediation, Quest offers advanced malware-free recovery and restoration capabilities. Our industry-leading recovery point objectives and recovery time objectives ensure your data is restored quickly and effectively, maintaining business continuity. Whatever your cybersecurity maturity level is, Quest will meet you on your journey. Our holistic approach to prevention, response, and recovery will elevate your ability to defend against cyber criminals and maintain compliance. Whether moving Microsoft 365 tenants for a merger or an acquisition, or just modernizing Active Directory to combat increasingly sophisticated cyber attacks, projects of this magnitude can take on a life of their own. But with 30-plus years of experience, we've seen it all. With Quest, you can make Microsoft 365 migrations a non-event. And for end users to ensure continued productivity and collaboration, as well as consolidate Active Directory to reduce the attack surface and mitigate risk. We help simplify planning, overcome unforeseen challenges, and finish projects on time. As you can see, Quest has earned the trust of the world's largest enterprises. We're proud to work with over 90% of the Fortune 500, including industry leaders across technology, finance, retail, healthcare, and telecommunications. This level of adoption speaks to both the reliability of our solutions and our ability to scale with organizations of any size. With companies like NVIDIA, Walmart, and Citi trust us, you can be confident in our ability to deliver for your organization as well. Quest's global partner ecosystem represents the cornerstone of our go-to-market strategy and our competitive advantage in the marketplace. As a 40-year-old company serving over 45,000 customers globally, we've built an extensive 4-tier partnership structure to amplify our reach and capabilities. At the top, our platinum partners represent our most strategic relationships, driving significant revenue and market penetration. Our gold partners bring enterprise scale implementation expertise and global reach. But it's not just about scale. It's about technical depth. We maintain technology partnerships with hundreds of companies, featuring robust data connectors across our entire partner ecosystem. This enables seamless data access for SQL, Postgres, Google SQL, MongoDB, and a multitude of others, and direct integration with modern platforms like Snowflake, Databricks, and Microsoft Fabric through their cloud marketplaces. And with Microsoft specifically, we bring deep domain expertise in Active Directory and Entra ID, making us the trusted partner for identity and database management transformations. This ecosystem doesn't just expand our market reach, it accelerates customer success through proven expertise and integrated solutions. Quest Software's $350 million capital infusion will accelerate AI's innovation across our entire product portfolio, delivering enhanced embedded AI capabilities and next-generation data management solutions to all of our customers. Key initiatives include the new Quest Software Center for Advanced Architecture. As part of this groundbreaking initiative, engineers will develop next-generation solutions for both AI data management, governance, and agentic AI to identity and respond to cyber threats at machine speed. Quest is also investing in building a world-class partner ecosystem specifically for the AI revolution. Our specialized solution paths for data partners, identity security specialists, and Microsoft platform integrators working with Active Directory and Entra ID environments. The journey to AI is about helping our customers to build their foundation for AI. It all goes back to the three pillars and meeting the customer or partner where they're at on their journey. Quest can help to access data readiness, partner with Quest to discuss your strategies for trusted data, modern data platform readiness, and AI readiness. We can also help you secure your AI foundation. Engage with Quest teams to discuss your identity governance, Active Directory, migration solutions to help trusted infrastructure AI requires. And finally, Quest can help you accelerate time to AI value. Leverage Quest's proven Microsoft expertise to fast-track your journey from legacy systems to AI-enabled business transformation. It's not just about data or security or endpoints. It's about the entire journey to make sure that our customers or our partners' customers understand their maturity levels and what's needed to build their foundation for AI. So again, I ask you, do you think you know Quest? Now you do.